let's talk about this navitainment system. Yeah, a fairly decent sized screen. It looks like it could be just under 8 inches, maybe about 7-inch screen. It's not a touchscreen system, no. It's got sort of an BMW iDrive, Audi MMI joystick style interface with a twist. This is haptic, and it provides force feedback so that when you select from your main menu, as you mouse over these items, you see clicks, détentes, in little detents in the movement of the joystick, and the enter buttons are on either side so that your passengers can mess with it, you know, or you can mess with the joystick while you're setting up. But it makes navigation, destination information just a little bit more difficult to input. So say I'm going to say city name, it's somewhere in between a touchscreen and a knob for inconvenience. I mean, it's not as convenient as a touchscreen, and touchscreen would be ideal, but it's not super inconvenient. So our street name is going to be Houston. We'll go ahead and input. And as I input it, let me go ahead and outline one other thing that I found. This system automatically returns to the map when you're not using okay, there's multiple addresses. We're going to use East Houston, so tell Valencia. See, so that was fairly painless. But when you're not watching or messing with the radio, you can select to watch your radio data. Let's start over. This navigation system cannot split navigation data and radio data that like the best systems on the market can. This is a big problem because when you leave it idle on a radio station, say you really want to know like the titles of every song as it comes up, you know where you're going, you don't need a map, this thing is automatically set to reset to the map screen. So if you leave it idle for a minute or 3 minutes or whatever, it'll automatically go back to the map screen. There's a setting in the options menu that will change that behavior and make sure that it stays on whatever option that you set it to stay on. And I really think owners are going to want to set that probably first thing upon getting into the RX.